Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy teddy bear out of a towel that you have in your home. So most of you guys might have a towel in your home and you might not know what to do with it. So this is a very simple craft and it's also very easy to do as well. So I've mostly posted paper crafts in my channel and I thought it would be different if I show you guys how to make a really easy and cute teddy bear with a normal towel that everybody might have. So without any further delay, let's get started. So that's it guys. This is a tutorial of a really easy and cute teddy bear. So this can be made easily at everybody's home with just a simple piece of towel that they have. So one more thing is that as you see, the back of the teddy bear will have a substance like this. So if you guys want to keep this teddy bear permanently, you can just cut this part with the scissors. So as you see, the two legs will be visible over here. So you can just cut it over here and you can just fold it inside and you'll have a realistic look at the back as well. So those who want to remold it or do other stuff, you can just take off the ribbon and remove the small eyes that we set up. Then you'll have the towel back. So after we complete this, a really easy and cute teddy bear is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on my channel. Bye!